Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. VW Lifers, welcome to today's episode of VW Life, and I'm here with Jake and Megan, and we're in D. White, and guess what?
It's rescue time.
It's a possible bus rescue time, and we're not talking bay window.
No, we got a lead on splits, and you always got to chase the lead on splits, because I believe Megan once said, if it ain't split, it ain't.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, there went our family PG rating. Thanks a lot, Megan.
We'll blow her out on that one. But anyway, we are going to look at a split bus today, possibly more than one. We wanted to bring you along with us and kind of see what we got. So here we go.
Yep, we got cash in hand, and it's been a while since we chased down a split window bus. A good long while, so I'm excited about that. It's so funny, the other day Jake and I were washing D. White and we were looking at all the stickers. D. White has never brought home a split, ever.
Nice.
So let's see what happens.
Well, we're here. If you want to be here with us in spirit, go to allmetricgarage.com.
So this is Mitch actually put a new green metal floor in the front here. So that's that, and we can
And is the nose been redone, or is that the original nose?
No, it looks like it's been redone. When I bought it,
it looks good.
When I bought it, it was like that. And mine's stainless steel exhaust in there. There's a disc brake kit, an AC Industries disc brake kit.
Yeah.
I was gonna go all out, right? But there's a 1600 cc motor back here that's never been. I mean, it's an.
So where did you get this bus?
So I had it shipped from California, actually.
Oh, really?
And
Oh, is that the 1600?
1600. Yeah. It's never been. I mean, I bought it, and it's never been put through. Yeah.
Who built this motor? Do you know?
So Test Bud.
Oh yeah.
Before his passing.
Yeah, Test Bud.
This was his.
I love Test Bud.
I don't know if this was his last or second to last motor that he built before his
Really?
passing. Yeah. Because the next time I called, I mean, we're talking like weeks. I called to ask a question, and they were like, "Hey, he passed."
Yeah.
I was like, "Oh,
I know, it's terrible.
So-
I brought in running Test Bud motors.
I actually bent metal lines as well. I did all the brakes in that bus, so this wasn't my first rodeo, so I kind of knew what I was doing.
what was going on.
Yeah. So, you throw out bearing, you starter. They stick together. Once they're apart, they're completely happy.
So somebody started putting the new floor in here, huh?
I did.
You did?
Yeah. I'd never welded before.
Yeah.
So I got a bunch of metal, started welding. I was like, why do people charge so much for this? I have all the jalousies. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, I have them all. This was, I was gonna look at fabrics, yeah.
Yeah.
That's an all new wiring kit for
Oh,
this
okay.
bus.
Yep,
So
yep.
I was gonna go,
Yeah. Put a new wire kit in.
yeah.
Yep.
This guy was supposed to be the good guy to do it. Look at this, 6 plates.
There you go. So you put a new floor in?
In the front here?
Yeah.
It does have a new floor. I didn't put it, Mitch put it.
Oh, Mitch put that in.
Yeah. Mitch put, so, pull this up. You guys normally look different?
Yeah.
Imagine your Tacoma.
Alright. This has any of the camper interior.
No.
And that's unobtainium to make it,
Yeah.
if you were to go that route.
It's got the table, so that's one thing.
It did?
So yeah, you got a table. It's solid. It's got a few pinholes here and there, but overall it's pretty solid.
he's just gone through and done all the welding himself,
Yeah.
which is really nice. Easy.
You put windows, lights, electricity, and it's not far.
But here's the thing, so then if you could come up with a SO42 kit for it. Just
I went around the cradle. Yeah. Got a new starter.
yeah. Well, it's easy with the motor here.
And the best looking camera girl on YouTube. Thanks for filming this. You're doing a great job.
Yes, you are.
Oh, give me some of that. Give me some of that. Oh, thank you very much. You gotta get clean, man.
Cleanliness next to godliness.
Dude.
Is this enough for an episode?
Oh yeah, you gotta split loaded up on your bus. Or your van.
Yeah. Well, I'm wore out. I hope there's a Sonic on the way. I need a Dr. Pepper.
Well, man, how's it going?
It goes. Got a nice floor in it. Yeah, that looks good. That's an expensive thing to have done. And those floors ain't cheap. Can put the kickboards in nicely. Not too bad.
It's like a scavenger hunt.
Hey, Jay.
Hello.
Well, here we go.
We're getting a FedEx delivery.
Here we are in the 66 Velvet Green SO42.
I feel like we can say that about all of my life.
Yeah, you've
I've been in the 65
You spent a lot
Velvet
of time.
Green
Yeah,
SO42.
Yeah, you have. So, well, today you saw it, we rescued it, and then today we've been going through it, and I think our plan is to, well,
We're gonna bring it back to life as a running bus.
yeah, it's gonna have a running bus. We've been going through our parts supply, and then what this bus came with. I mean, there's just lots of little pieces that are missing, so we're gonna just weird things like grab handle and steering column support and things of that nature. So we're gonna be working on that.
Absolutely.
And we're gonna try to see if we can get some of this yellow overspray off this, see what that looks like. with some lacquer thinner, but we're gonna spend a little bit of time on this thing.
Absolutely.
Starting, running, driving, braking, bus,
Lights.
lights. Yeah.
So, a couple things that we need y'all to do. If you want to see more of this content of us rescuing Volkswagens and bringing them back to life, stick around. Please subscribe to the channel. Tune into our videos, see what we create for y'all. This is why we're filming this. We work on Volkswagens no matter what. It's what we do. But we want to film it for y'all, so please subscribe so you can see this kind of content.
Yeah, that's it. And please pass the word along. We appreciate you guys join us.
Now share it with your
This
friends.
little green 66 bus, it's like got a nice floor. I mean, it's had a lot of all the rust repairs done,
Absolutely.
which is pretty impressive.
Absolutely.
And I mean, that's a lot of time and a lot of money in those parts. So now it's just sticking it back together, put some glass in it. We sourced our glass for it today. We still got to get the jalousies from the guy that we bought it from. And we'll install the jalousies. And I wish it had a SO42 interior, but it doesn't. So, but it is a legit, the M code matches a SO42. So it's pretty exciting in that regard.
Absolutely.
So, this is what it's all about. Go out and find a split window. How long has it been?
It's been 8 years. My sister has 4 kids. She only had 2 at the time.
Yeah.
I was still in college. Yeah.
Yeah, you were.
I might have been.
freshman.
Yeah.
Home for your freshman
Yeah.
year.
Home from freshman year.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I think Davey hadn't been in a motorcycle wreck yet.
Oh,
Martin still had a beard.
Yeah, the Bearded Wonder was still the Bearded Wonder.
Yeah.
Old Barry was Young Barry.
Younger Barry.
Yeah, he was younger Old Barry.
But absolutely. Hey, check out our merch on allmetricgarage.com. You heard the old man.
Just make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about, the VW community. Thank you all for joining us, and man, lots more to come.